Hi, I'm Dr. Nakia Simmons Cotton here, and I'm here to bring you just an overview of my latest book, Essential Tips for Educators, Knowledge and Information for Educators Teaching Students with Disabilities, which is now available on Amazon. Chapter 7, I discuss knowledge and how knowledge is essential. And in all my books, I like to provide that foundational knowledge and knowledge that's necessary for those other programs that may be related or may connect with students with disabilities. So, for instance, I talk about the multi-tier system of support in RTI and what that process is. I talk about the various acronyms that are related to students with disabilities, including the definitions of those words. So you might hear, what's an IEP? Or IEP is an individual education plan. And in that chapter, I actually define what an IEP is. I talk about related services, manifestation determination process. Do you know that students with disabilities, if they're removed from classes and it constitutes a change in placement, that you must have a manifestation determination meeting before you remove that student from a class when it's related to a discipline infraction? Yes, that's news. Manifestation determinations matter. So, knowledge is power. I talk about, like I said, the processes of the multi-tier system of support. I discuss what related services are, individual healthcare plans, manifestation determinations, and then I provide those definitions for those services, as well as talking about the related agencies, because there are certain agencies that support students with disabilities. And those agencies include the Department of Education, Office of Civil Rights, and all those things. So I feel as educators, we need to make sure that we hone in our knowledge and know these background services so we can effectively serve our students and provide that inclusive culture. So, chapter 7, knowledge is power. Grab your copy. Thank you for listening and get essential.